Hello stream. I'm doing thingy again. So what I've done is I've changed the script a bit so I can get it to actually function. I've found a bunch of coding recent, so I need to grab these trains and then I'm going to here and paste them in, which don't go in the right folder, but that's fine. So we have all the trains here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select each train, so drag it separate to make it just easier to distinguish between each train. So just have this somewhere here. So, because I'm doing interiors and stuff, I've got to make sure everything still functions as proper as it should. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some interiors. So, these are the train models. I could get rid of these spawns for now, but for now I'm just going to leave it as is. So, we have 3 trains. I'm going to upgrade today. Those are the 3 main game those are the 3 main trains in the game. So, we have to start with the 455 because I can. So, the 455, I'm just going to open up the internet of things and just keep looking through images until I find what I'm looking for. I'm not going to interiors, I just need to look for interior. There you go. That's up at Brighton somewhere. There you go, some interiors. Okay, so let's do this interior. Look, I haven't actually done the parts for each train yet. And I haven't done the parts for the models. What I have done, I've gone and done the thingy. So I've done pretty much nothing for this. So I'm going into dashboard again, which I should probably find on my desktop somewhere. Just an interior one. Like that, and then in shortcuts somewhere. So being system, robot development. There you go. I'm doing assets now. Asset design. Oh yeah, I pushed a couple updates yesterday because of the code. What I've done is in this dev version, the time will always just be set to default, which it's going to be really bad to demonstrate now because the time is at 12 o'clock. So basically the time, oh yeah, I'm going to end up crashing my PC at some point today, but that's fine. How many windows of this do I have open? Only enough to cause issues. Just close that and just close that. Okay, so we have the game as usual. There's no issues there because the script for the time isn't loading because I'm not loading it in this version. This makes it easier to develop at night, so I can actually see the features that I'm working on. The only downside to this is you don't get the no, I already closed it. I could find it somewhere, hold on. Oh, What's this? Why is this opening? And yeah. The only downside to this is there's no nighttime sneak peeks anymore. And I can still create them, I just need to change the script a bit. Yeah, update. You might notice a lot of these scripts are in the daytime. Because, not scripts, a lot of these sneak peeks are in the daytime is because these aren't actually live game or game at all. These are just like places that I've made them. That I've made I made the areas. See, it's dark when the screenshots are late. If you know 312, yeah. Sort of see, yeah. That's all there. Next. Next, I'm going to head over to here. And this is like such a point now, so that's only 2 things for those. And if I go into the game here, because I'm fairly lazy at the moment, I might just get the code I was already using, do it for me. There you go. You get instant mode. Once the server's loaded, you get pretty much instant mode. See over there what I've been working on. Training menu is still unavailable. I'm gonna do the video was training at once, so I'm gonna put the training systems at once, it's easier. Something's happened with the meshes here. Something's up with the models. There's something's up with the textures because I think I opened Opera GX. The only issues there with if I make a private server actually. Create private server. Why now? Customize. Okay, so I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna close out this regenerate. Oops, not the right button. Click copy. Enter this in. And regenerate it. There we go, okay, everything's loaded in properly now. So, despite this being a private server, this does also happen to be a live game. I don't usually look into the live game too much, but like I do because like I have to test things. And when I'm testing new systems, for example, when I'm testing out the new daytime system that I made. Well, I got help making something that I will show off in a bit. But I don't think it's possible to credit a website, so I'm not gonna credit the website. So basically, there's this oh, hello. When did you join? A minute ago. Nice. Is that a Why the way I see in your background? How? Okay, now work back to interiors. Going on to here. Yeah, here's what I'm looking for. I need to make some seats, like some basic seats for the trains. I'm just going to make the parts, because it's probably quicker that way. I'll make it as a union, as a chair. Let's see if I go to toolbox here and also SCR. If I got a train here, there you go. Okay, so I now have some interior trains that are definitely from BCR, definitely not from SCR. Over here. I'm just going to pick a 707, it's quicker. 707. 707, yeah. This is 707. Looks decent. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to grab a... Oh yeah, and then this is set to 1.0, yeah. Quite good booty detail. You can like run that. But what? I think you can see the train lighting system here. I need to hit your base. What's the base got? Attachment plates. Those are like the actual wheels. I don't know if that's what I make the sound from, but you can get sounds on that. Yeah, here. And then they have a script that just plays the sound. But I'm looking for the seats. So what we're doing for the seats is we're going to be getting one seat. And I'll be doing a lot of stuff here. On screens and stuff. Cool. But that's not important. Text looks a bit weird. Seat platform, there you go. Surely. Seat somewhere. Nope. Oh, there's enough. We're just doing that. Oh, I see. It's got like a separate texture because of the mesh they've done. Okay then, I'll just delete this then. I would just search up an SCR or whatever, 707 or whatever. Where's this good thing? Why is it on this side anyway? Alright, then where's robots? Nope, that's not what I put there. Amazing. Can you open please? And there goes my internet. Cool. Right. Back to Roblox then. Oh my god. Why? Why is this a thing? And why does it sit awkwardly? Why does it sit awkwardly off the side? That just looks wrong. Why does it just sit like awkward? That just looks weird. This the other bag is just rare. Good. Okay, never mind. But why? Why though? Why would you spend time doing that? That's just weird. And back to my profile, my very normal profile that you've never seen before with okay, well, that and that maybe possibly. I want particle. I just want particle. That is it. Okay, so we're in base plate. Do this. It's really just easy to do it in here. These trains probably won't work first time I do it, so I'm gonna have to like figure out a way to keep the train functionality and also unmesh it, like remesh it. Because I think these are all. I don't think there's much meshing in here. Oopsies. I don't think there's much meshing if I grab this train here. There isn't much meshing, it's just a world script, which is actually quite useful. Does stuff. Doesn't really matter. All I know is that there's like a bunch of these, which are significant. Well, they're not, but like they're significant enough. It's really good function if I deleted them, but like it just doesn't look right. So these are just the buggies, and then this is just the connect. It makes no sense once you're in game. And we have a bunch of, basically this is made of basically a bunch of unions, because it's easier than making it in a bunch of non-unions, as in like it's easier to do it like that. And then I have this carriage index here for the models, so we have rear 2, front 2, which is what I've done here. It makes it 3 or 4 times easier to make the train like actually function. So here we have the 455 in this game. The radio button has a script inside it. It just gets the it's an old script that I had from ages ago, but still functions. So you know, just gonna leave it as that. I will just. I'm not sure how I'm going to be able to re-import these into the game. The thing that needs to stay is this vehicle seat, which you can't actually see. So I'm going to drag it out so you can see it. So when you sit in the train, this is what you're sitting on. So what I could do is I could change this model completely, so it's like an actual seat, and make it invisible. Still sit on it, but the mesh is sort of gone. There you go. Okay, so that's in the right spot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some stuff to interiorify the trains with. So it shouldn't be that difficult to do. I just need to get a bunch of parts and then tell them where to go and stuff. But let's see then. Yeah, so I'll just put it in this spot here. So like a bunch of I like putting stuff in this like rank area. There's like a core center here. You got the spawn point, and then everything else branching out from there. And then the music stops. It's internet. Don't cut out on me. Okay, so. I'll find it. There it is.
So as you can see here,
NGT, yep. Blah, blah, blah. Yes, this is what I'm looking for.
All I did was grab
these seats, this seat design. This is the whole thing I was looking for. So that's just one carriage, but that's fine. that's pretty much. Okay, so if I get one of these screenshots.
Of all the MG trains are more or less the MTG trains. All I...
Yes, okay, cool. There you go. There's your screenshot. There's a bunch of my development screenshots that I just have for now. Okay, so asset design. So for this, we have a chair. Chair seems pretty much easy to do. You just need to get a base of a square, pretty much. You need a... Okay, let's just do this again. So you get parts. Anchored like that. If it leaves there. And then lift it up a bit. Okay, so that's pretty much the base of the chair. And I need a second part from there. Slightly more flat. Like that, sort of. Which we're going to then set to a colour of, well, the colour that I want. So if I grab this, what colour is it? Blue. So grab a blue, like this blue, and then just do that. So that's basically where I'm going with this. I just need to take depth for a driver's seat. That's fine. Bring into materials here, and then it's usually like a cloth one, or fabric or something. Yeah, there it is, fabric. Why is it not letting me activate these? Yes. This looks like a Roblox chair. Pretty basic. Very, very basic. But then what I'm going to look for is a seat. I'll find this now. Paste. Where's the seat gone? So this is the seat. Each seat is like a part. But what I'm going to do is it's like a part, but like with special properties, I think. So it's got the seat here. So for this, we want the entire thing, basically the entire part to be seat. So the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to do it like that, then lower. So this, wait, I don't need that. What am I doing? I need the models. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the seat of a height, and then bundle them together as a union. I don't know if you can still sit on that, so I'm going to check. You can still sit on this. There we go. A bit high. Alright, let's test. Can you sit on it? This is the sort of testing I do a lot of the time. Oh yeah, that was like testing me with AI passengers. That's kind of funny, but I don't work on that as much anymore. So where did I put the chair? Here. Oh, I didn't anchor the second part, so that's just broken. Nor can you sit on the seat, so you can't anchor it like that. That's fine. And then go to the model here and select the union. Separate them. Set this to negative. No, that's not it. Set it to transparency. Here, properties. Give it transparency of 1. And then these two parts I could put together as a model instead. Not what I meant. Make sure they're anchored first. Make sure this entire model is anchored, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the base and the actual seat itself. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to group as model. That looks the same, but has a slightly raised hitbox that allows you to sit down, I'm assuming. I have never messed about with interiors before, so this is kind of funny to see how this is gonna go. Yes, I can sit, but it's the wrong way. So that's an easy fix. I just have to get like a decal or something. So just get this model, seat, rotate. That should be it. That should be all of the work I had to do for that. And over here. Yeah, there we go. There you go, there's the seat. Functioning seat. Look at that, cool seat. You can hear the engine sounds. I have not checked chat in a while. Oh. Why am I so late to check chat? I should just keep it on my side, but I'm not, because I have the screenshot open. There it is. There you can see a loop. Console now, sort of thing. Okay, so next issue to fix. I will be fixing something. Well, setting up something. So I think I might lower the seat a bit, because you can lower it a bit further and it still function properly. Just as long as your body can contact to the hitbox. So, because it's still a model, I can just select the entire thing and move it closer to the spawn point, which I have no clue where the spawn point is. I've moved the spawn point about a bunch. Okay, there we go. Seat, and then just boot up the game. Still see it like that, that's fine. I'll just make the seat a bit smaller, because you don't need it that big. And change the colours a bit as well. I don't think you can do that now, you can't. Can you not? There you go, okay. That's more cool. Alright, so then I get this part, and this one actually, but I need to get this one first and then scale it down a bit. There. And get this seat, and then scale it to match. And then just move this part slightly closer, so it's in the model. There you go. So then there's an amazing not mesh, but an amazing model. There's a reason this is on a model, because you can't do it as a union. If I did it as a union, it'd just break apart. So I anchored these parts. There you go. Working passenger seat. Now I have to do this once more, actually, because then after that I can just convert it into driver mode. So we're just going to grab this model, bring it into this. It's a very basic chair, but it's good enough for this game. So I have I'll change this name to what's called passenger. Alright, and then I'm going to duplicate this twice, 3 times actually. There we go. Okay, so now we have the non-passenger ones. These are all driver ones, but I gotta give them special names. Driver 455. There we go. That's the 455 driver 1. And this is driver 375. And this is driver 377. Because we've got 3 different training classes, we've got 3 individual training classes and then a passenger seat. So what I'm going to do is just make this function actually. So for this train, it's going to look really stupid really quickly, because what I have to do is get rid of this padding part that you've never seen before. It looks floating. It's hiding inside. It's a union. There it is. That's not what it was. That's the window. So there's a union. That's like the entire interior. There's a bunch of these parts that you haven't seen. There happens to be a massive union. There you go. So this is pretty much the interior drain. That's quite close to what interior drain looks like. So I'm just going to do the front cavity first. So I'd have to recreate this entire menu, this entire area. For the doors, I still don't have any plans to do door animations yet, but yeah, so then what I have to do is look for the vehicle seat, which I'm going to then duplicate, drag out the model, take it into workspace, close out of this, right? So this is the seat for a train, which is the 455. So as it is driver 455, I'll be configuring this seat to function. So what I have to do is I have to rotate it like that, move it into the seat, like into the seat. So I go into here, get rid of this, drag this right into model. This is anchored, I'm pretty sure. No, it's not. It couldn't be anchored because it's part of the train. So this is going to work is we're going to put this in the model. Simple as that. This looks stupid, but it makes sense. If I just scale it over the seat, so you're not like floating. You're not floating. You're not like no, you aren't floating. Even if I put it in the right angle. So yeah, that's close. It's just an issue at the front here. If I just move it slightly back here. That's a bit. There you go. I don't have a snap because I don't want to make a snap. I don't want to set up a snap tool. So you can snap. There it is. Okay, scale. Yeah, scale is probably easier to do this with. I don't have the Roblox snap thing. So that's just. I don't want to enable that again. Plus it'll probably make it more difficult. So there we go. That's the seat. That's the entire seat. There's a bunch of info inside. So you've got basically drive GUI script. There's the spawn point. Where is the spawn point? Oh yeah, here. I want to check if this like actually functions. I know these trains will like absolutely break apart because there's gravity involved here. Oh wait, no, the trains don't even spawn. Because I've set up the train spawning. There we go. Yeah, I'm good at this. The trains aren't even spawned in, which is good. So the camera is set up-ish. It only works, like, it says it's a 455, it's not a 455, it's a bit buggy, because it's trying to go to where the end of the model is. It doesn't know where the end of the model is, so it's just sending me over to here. That's just an issue with the camera, that can easily be fixed later. You can't control speed, because there's nothing that controls speed. You can delete that, actually. It doesn't delete the seat. Attempts to delete train that doesn't exist. Everything still functions as per usual. The only thing is this train doesn't even have sounds in the first place, so it's really, really bad to show off. But even if it did, you wouldn't be able to hear them because there's no soundboard. There's just the seat. So this is what I was looking for. It's quite functional. And then what I'll quickly do is let's keep on if I quickly go hop into here, 4x5, oh, that's bad. Drag it down into the seat. There you go, like that. And then change the transparency to 1. You would have no idea there's a driving system there. Where is it, this one? it does that, but it's fine. So the first person looks cool. The camera looks a bit dodgy, but you really do this. So yeah. Which you do float like a significant amount, but I can easily fix that. By just lowering the seat scale. Like that. And would you look at that, you're sitting down, rubbish. It's better than before. Until you're actually sitting down on the train. Cameras are still a bit funny, because I can't really fix that, because of the 455 being a mile away. But when you're sitting in the right place, to make a doc actually. Oh yeah, I made some documents yesterday, that was hilarious fun. I think this file is still open. No. Yeah, there's, yeah. City Link, Coastline, Metro Line. Which one's there? Sure, I'll save it. There we go. I have no idea how I expect this to open. I didn't. This is defo word. Yeah. There's like a bunch of stuff in here. But this isn't even a roadmap. This is just development log, which is even better in my opinion. The file explorer always crashes here, which is what I end up doing computer drive. Just let you click off. Those are like hours for me doing. This is like early development stages. Oh right, so I'm just gonna like. Look at this, my early development stages as I was doing Roblox Studio teleportation, which I don't know how to do actually. If I go to, where is it? This tab. Yep, we're just going to go into here and we're just going to click on this and we're just going to do some typing. Make a Roblox script that only shows a screen. Alright, so using AI to code is so much quicker. There's no way you can get specific tutorials. Like you could search. Why is it saying somebody else's creative? This is clearly mine. That's to refresh it or something. There it is. Okay, it's creating code. It's telling you how to do it, and then it just creates the code for you. I don't know what else I'm supposed to really do with this, so... This could genuinely be like an issue, but... Yeah, look at that. That's quite smart. I know what I'm doing. Yeah, because I pushed the update without dev teleport. I'm in the live game still. That's fine. Okay, so I'm not doing interiors yet, but I will be. People called you right. I'm not working on anything. So what do I need to do? Dev TP, which is in replicated or replicated. No, it's script set. No, it's. Wait, what's in VIP server? What is in here? Oh yeah, forgot about that. File number is quotable. There's some script I made. it just gets the local ID of the script, of the badge number, and blah 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 blah, find first child, blah 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 blah, and blah blah blah. Makes sense. If I go into, what is it? Server scripts? No, server storage. There's a bunch of stuff in here, but I'm going to put this back in the TP. Right, that's important, right? Because what I have to do is do that button. So that button. Let's see what the script is again. So does it enable it? The code is all there for it. I just need to. It makes sense. Now just paste this code in and pray that it works. So then, I've had my game ranks. I've had like a bunch of stuff open because I'm getting data from different parts of the game. I'm good at reading messages. I look at the left and it's like, work on Storm Pixel. I will at some point. It's just, I don't know. Once I get bored of one development, I just start going on to the other one. So, yeah, I might do a Storm Pixel stream maybe tomorrow. But I'll probably. I mean, the thing is, I don't have to work on Storm Pixel as much as I used to. Because what I can just do is I can just like, can it make empty scripts? New chat? Can you? I'm concerned by this. I'm concerned by that. I don't know what they've done, but that's concerning. Make a Minecraft script that says hello world. I wonder if it'll work. Yes! It knows what it's doing! Yes! I can then use the AI. Yes! 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 Yes, it knows what it's doing! Yes! It knows what it's doing! Oh, wow! Wait, if I just rename this to Minecraft, right? And let's rename this one, if it loads, to Roblox. There you go. I have two chats with AIs. There you go. So let's just say, make a Minecraft script that says this is amazing. I wonder if it can generate. It's probably slower because there isn't as much info. On chat, players 248H podcast. This is amazing. Look at that. Look at this code. Look at this, it even tells you how to install it. That's amazing. Look at that. So helpful. What if I Surely, you could tell me how to script, but you can't tell me what the time is, bro. I mean, I guess that's fair. I mean, you could give it a specified instruction. But I'll temporarily get back to Roblox, and then by 12 whatever. Yeah, by 12 whatever, I'll just end stream. 12:50 maybe. Yeah, 12:50. I'm fine at 12:50. Short stream today because I just wanna. You know, I need to go into here. Get this place ID. Change that. Allowed ranks. The rank allowed would be. Configure here. Oh, I haven't done this right. No, it should just be free on its own. There you go. Demoted. 252. You don't actually need that actually. 254. 255. I wonder if you could specify it to use more. Okay, so 255 would be one of them. 255. 254. 253. 252. There we go. They put comments in the script too. I don't know why the edits. Okay. Right, so we have this now. My favourite part. Interiors with trains. Right, so there's a few issues here that are guaranteed. When spawning the train in, it might bug out because there's no rails. But there's no interior. There's no interior because I just deleted the interior. Because of how this yeah, that's not how it's supposed to work. Because that's just not. Yeah, that's still broken with the camera because trains, but the trains work on the base plate because they should. They're programmed to just function, I suppose. They just like detect whether there's two issues with this inside bit, but I can fix that at some point. It's mostly just unions, that's the issue, so if I just fix that. You could just drive the train on the blank area. I mean, it's not supposed to work, but it does, and you notice the train is floating, and that's because of how the train system is driven. It makes it slightly more visible how the train is driven, because then you can sort of see it doesn't actually, the wheels don't actually have to make contact with anything for the train to drive. And my hero bar, delete. And then, yeah guys. Oh look, I got flung. I'm sure that hasn't happened before, so we have the 455 and the 455C, and it fits quite well. It messes up the camera because it's not expecting an interior, but I have to configure the camera and it should work. So with a few days, this will function, maybe, possibly. It's not come out to 1.0, that's for sure, but like still. 12:45, yeah, I might as well end the stream here. That's it. That's it. Where's the button that I have for the cool thing to end stream? The cool end. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, it's really just continuously for now. I've forgotten what it's called, but it's somewhere. Where is it? Nope. There it is. Right. No. Why are there no videos? There. Yes. That's not what it is. That's the old one. Oh my gosh. That's the new one. Oh my gosh.
Hey, let's see.
Oh my gosh. Where is it? Oh my god, so why can't I not find it? If I could find it. Oh yeah, it's that. It's that one. There it is. Okay, let's just move this again. Right, end the stream. Because I'm ending the stream here. Bye.